Putting is a skill that can be greatly improved with practice, and luckily there's lots of products to help with that, like this. Let's learn how to use a putting mirror. So, for this putting mirror tutorial, I'm going to be using the GWX XL mount putting mirror and the TaylorMade Spider GT putter. So, if you pan down, the XL putting mirror is, as the name suggests, a large mirror. It's quite cool, you can use it left-handed or right-handed. Left-handers will use this red line here to pass the stroke, and the right-handers this red line here. Me being right-handed, I've put the pegs that it comes with to line up for the right-hander's stroke. That's going to be really handy with that because it helps make sure your stroke's not too far inside or not too far inside on the way back out. Now, some of you will have noticed I've still got a peg on the left-hander's side here, and that's to make sure that my putter, when it comes back through, is nice and square, not coming through out here, hitting the ball out the heel, or out here, hitting the ball out of the toe. And you will also see we've got two pegs just down the end there, and that's going to help make sure the ball starts on the right line. If you're hitting those pegs, the ball's not going to be going in. Now, you can see this black line here and here. That's where your putter will set up nice and square. And also, you're not going to be able to see this because the mirror's at a different angle, but to me, my eyes are just in line with this black line here. And that's pretty good. We want our eyes either in line with this black line here or in between these two lines. Anywhere in there is going to be fine. If you've got the putter that's a bit too short for you though, your eyes might be a little bit out here, and that's going to make it a lot harder to hold a stroke, or hold a putt even. Also, if the putter's a bit too long, you're going to be further away from the ball and you're going to be inside it as well, which not only means you're going to hit these pegs here and here, it's also therefore going to be a lot harder to hold a putt. So, with this line on the ball here, I line it up with the line on the top of the putter there. Some people do, some people don't, I always do. Find it helps enormously. So hopefully, you line the putter up with the line on the ball there, take your stance, straight back, straight through, and straight into the hole like that. Putting mirrors, that's really all there is to it. They're going to be a great benefit for your game, even just 5-10 minutes a day, and you will definitely see progress with your putting. Good putting, better scores, lower handicap, and taking the money off your mates. So there you go, great product, easy to use, and it's definitely going to help improve your putting. Also, it's not that expensive. So get on down to your nearest golf warehouse. We've got heaps of aids like this and plenty of putters. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also check out our awesome content over here. We'll see you soon.